The person who invented the blow molding machine was a genius. With it, making plastic bottles at home is so easy. Let's take a look at how it works. The entire process can be divided into 3 parts. Extrusion part, generally thermoplastic. After processing, it is granular, then high temperature and high pressure. Hollow parison. This is the hopper. Raw materials are shipped here. The screw is the key point. There are 3 areas: feed area, compressed area, measuring area, extrusion die. Particles enter the screw from the hopper. Screw rotation. Raw material moves forward. The space between the screw and the barrel gradually decreases. There is a heating device inside the screw used to melt raw materials. The mold head also has a heating function. Raw materials enter the mold, forming a hollow parison. Next step, blow molding. The parison is placed into the mold. Close mold. Inject compressed air. Parison expansion. At the same time, the next step for molded plastic bottles. Cutting with the blade. Remove unnecessary corners. This is one cycle of a blow molding machine. Feel free to contact me anytime if you're interested.